The basic Excel sum formula is equals sum range, like equals sum A1 A10 for cells A1 through A10, or equals sum A1 B5 C2 for specific cells, adding numbers, cell references, or ranges. The SUMIF formula in spreadsheets sums cells that meet a single condition, using the syntax equals SUMIF, range, criteria, sum_range, where range is checked against the criteria, and optionally, corresponding cells in the sum_range are added. The SUMIFS formula sums cells that meet multiple criteria, using equals SUMIFS, sum_range, criteria_range 1, criteria 1, criteria_range 2, criteria 2. In Excel as sheets, where sum_range is the cells to add, followed by pairs of criteria_range, where to check, and criteria, the condition.